Good morning, children. Expansion of democracy. We are discussing in the civics part as a 19th chapter. Expansion of democracy already June class. I conducted 2 classes. Okay, this is one more YouTube class. Please watch carefully so that you will understand well. So we discussed up to the discussing about the change in Libya. As Libya experienced the military rule, okay, military rule under the revolutionary leader Gaddafi. Okay, so people of Libya got a lot of benefits, okay, by adopting the social welfare schemes and like free education and free medical facilities and subsidized housing schemes and transport facilities and all are developed, and the oil reserves property, the share was given to the people and make them financially cope up, and also make the people ignore nomadism, okay, which was under the practice, and make the women also come forward to get educated, to make them come out from the illiteracy, that is uneducation. So overall together we see lot of change took place in Libya. Apart from this, still there are some worldwide nations interference also, because vast oil reserves are identified in Libyan country. So biggest nations like America, European countries like England, France, okay, all these nations wanted to occupy the Libya because the oil reserves will help their motherland for a longer period. In this way, Gaddafi, who did not allow other nations to interfere in the Libyan politics for a longer period, okay, first time he faced the threat from the other nations like USA, England, France, etc. Those nations made Gaddafi come out or dethroned from the power. So this became a big problem for the Libyan people. Okay, even the local people also, some section of people did not like the rule of Gaddafi. Rule of Gaddafi. Okay, many powerful nations worldwide, that is United States. United States also interfered in the matter of the Libya, Okay, a keen interference to end the Gaddafi rule can be seen in United States. Okay, and we see that UNO also interfered in the matter of removing the Gaddafi from the power. United Nations organization, worldwide organization. Understand? So the Gaddafi power was ended successfully by the interference of the United States with the local people, local revolutionaries, and the new government installed in favor to the revolutionaries with the help of America, etc. Okay, no-fly zone announced in the Libya. No-fly zone. No-fly zone means aeroplanes and all should not walk from above the Libya, because air attacks and all can be reduced. Okay, and the leaders of the dictators, the revolutionary dictators and all, control the media and press. Media and press. Media press. These were not allowed to publish the facts to the people. So revolution will be under control. Revolution will be under control. Okay. Libyan people eventually succeeded in overthrowing Gaddafi reign. Gaddafi reign. Okay. 14th November 2012. 14th November 2012, a new government was created through the elections. 100 political parties participated and 200 representatives were elected. 100 political parties. So you can expect that more or less indirect interference of the other countries. Okay, outside the Libya, America, okay, France, Germany, England, influence was there with the local people and make them start new political party by giving money and all. So more political parties were joined, established in Libya. More political parties established in India. There were 100 political parties. $200 members, representatives. Representatives participated in the elections. Okay, so this was a drastic change, a big change in the Libyan politics. Okay, a democratic form of government was developed in the Libya. So future slowly we see that Libya was an international property by the influence of Arab countries like France, Germany, Italy, other countries slowly they get hold on Libya. Okay, so Libya became a colony for European powers for some years indirectly, even though there was a democratic form of government in Libya. Okay, we see that this was influenced by outside the countries like America, England, etc. Okay, so the local leaders took the help of these biggest nations and started adopting the new social welfare programs in the Libya, and Libya got slowly developed. Okay, so it is one of the wealthiest nations in African continent. Even though there was a lot of desert soil and all, not suitable for the cultivation and all, because of its vast oil reserves and all, it got a lot of economy. As governments announced free education, most of the people got educated, and the war came from the illiteracy, and youngsters took the responsibility for the development of their motherland. Okay, and their economic levels also improved. So that is nothing but nations development. Individuals' economy is nothing but nations' economy. Okay, in this way, Libya changed its politics within the country, one of the African countries. We completed about the Libya. Now we shall see the Asian country Myanmar. Myanmar we shall see. Myanmar. Okay, it is also called Burma. It is one of the Asiatic country located in the eastern part of India called Burma. Modern name Myanmar. Modern name Myanmar. Okay, so it is located in the eastern part of India. It is one of the border states. One of the border states. One of the border states with India. Okay, it was a colony of the British long back. It got independence like India, and major supplier of teak wood, food crop like rice, and minerals like tin and precious stones like rubies and sapphires. These all are the material they supply to the other countries. I mean, trade and all. Understand? Take wood. Much of the forest land they cut and they export this take wood to the other parts of the world. Food crops like rice, plenty of rice. Minerals like tin they export to the other countries, and precious stones like rubies and sapphire. Rubies and sapphire are the two important stones. They do business with the other parts of the world. Understand? Burma also became independent just 5 months after independence of India. Okay, 5 months after, that is 5 months after India's independence, that is 1947, August means, okay, September, October, November, December, okay, January, okay, 5 months. Next, we see that Burma also got independence from the British control, okay. Okay. In Burma also we see similar to that of Libya, there was a revolution for independence. Okay, people did not get easily, even though they got after the 5 months, it was not easily received by the Burmese people. Understand? They established a parliament with two houses similar to that of India. Parliamentary type of democracy they introduced, similar to that of India. Okay, there were also elections conducted in 1951, 56, 60. Okay, 1951, 1956, 1960. 3 different years we see the elections were held, and Burma concentrated on its democratic republic, similar to that of India. Democratic Republic of India, similar to that of India. Okay. So, however, Burma did not have a united political party to lead them at that time. There were no strong political parties. Even though Democratic Republic was established in Burma, strong political parties were not there. Due to lack of that, there was a instability in the government, and Burma was unable to show the progress for longer duration. Okay, in 1947, India had a large number of princely states. Okay, so when we got independence, number of princely states joined into the Indian Union. Okay, Hyderabad state was rejected to join. Okay, later on, the few years with the military support and all, Hyderabad also joined into the Indian Union, and we see that a republic form of government established in India. So this became a forerunner for the other neighboring nations also. Burma also decided to follow in the similar lines, so that we see a new political change had taken place in Burma. Okay. Similarly, Burma too consisted a large number of small states and ethnic linguistic regions. Burma also faces the same problem like India. What small places which following their own language, linguistic regions. Linguistic regions means particular language speaking areas. Okay, those areas are not willing to join into the Burmese Union. So this became a little bit problem for them. So to unite the Burma, and in this aspect, we see a new leader had entered into the Burmese politics to make the Burma free from the revolutionaries' control and provide the all social welfare programs similar on the lines of the Libya and all. Okay, Aung San Suu Kyi in 1947, Aung San Aung San Suu Kyi, a leader. You can see the picture in the next page. Okay, page number 239. Okay, leader of the Burma ethnic group. She also belongs to one particular linguistic group. Okay, who had led the country to independence. Father of current opposition leader Aung San Suu Kyi. Okay, she was the opposition leader now, Aung San Suu Kyi, in the Burma politics. Okay, after independence, she was given the responsibility to take up the Burmese politics and all. Okay, now independence, father of current opposition leader Aung San Suu Kyi. Okay, and the leaders of the many ethnic minorities in the Burma, many ethnic groups means different language speaking groups okay, were negotiated by this lady. Negotiated means guided, supervised, etc. Okay, she guarantees ethnic rights and self-determination and the inclusion of minorities in democratic process. She promised to the ethnic groups strength and as well as language promotion, as well as the determination, the strong willingness of the people will be promoted. How she will be promoted? Minorities protection also she announced. Minorities means other than local people of the Burma who are living in that, migrant people and all. Okay, their protection also she announced, and totally a democratic process was announced by this lady to Burma people. Okay, so in this way we see that she took the active part in the Burma politics, and she is the lady which led the revolutionaries, okay, on the democratic lines, and international wide she was more popular, and she gave lot of importance for the strengthening of the Burma, okay, by increasing the relations with the different nations like India with Modi's government and all. Okay, so in this way, one lady interference in Burma make the Burmese people get confidence, and their determination was became very strong, and they come forward for the change of the new governments and all. Okay, children. today you will get this video. You please watch this. You have to follow the YouTube videos as well as the Zoom class also. Please coordinate with each other. Otherwise, you may get vice versa of the lessons. So please follow the classes carefully and read the textbook. Get clarify the doubts in Zoom classes. In YouTube video, if you get any doubt, please clarify those doubts in Zoom class. Both we will follow. Understand? Worksheets, slip tests also please kindly write without fail so that you will have idea about yourself, how much you understood, isn't it? So please follow the guidelines of the teachers and utilize the classes. Okay, especially 9 children, you have connectivity all to 10th class. All these topics will be connected for the next year 10th class syllabus. So kindly follow the classes. Okay. So again we will give the YouTube class some other day, next day, tomorrow or some other day. You please watch according to your time convenience without fail. Okay. So thank you. We will continue afternoon also today afternoon. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.